how to block someone from your Facebook so that he or she cannot find you on Facebook, cannot send you a message, cannot send you request on the Facebook. So at the very beginning, we will go to the settings option, settings and privacy, settings. If we come to the settings option, there on the left side, there are some other sub options. In the middle of the settings, there is blocking. If we click to the blocking option, so these are some other more settings, how to block and how to manage the blockings. The second one is block users. So there's someone we will block and he or she cannot make us disturb. We will write down the name, that means Facebook ID name, how he is known on the Facebook. For example, for a demo, I'm going to make one. It's called GM Riaz, one of my friends. Even though I don't want to blocking, but for an example, for a demo, I'm going to make you see. So if we click the block, the system will find all the GM Riaz, this name people. Okay. So for example, this is the guy who I am going to block, even though you can click to the name so that you can be sure this is the person who you are going to block off. So the left side is block. If we click to the block, then the system is asking you, are you sure you want to block Mr. X? So Mr. X will no longer be able to see things, your timeline tag, you cannot tag you, cannot invite you in a group, and some other more options. So you can cancel or block. I'm going to block him. On the block list, look, yeah, it is blocked. And this way you can block more, like this. For example, I write down another one, Hussein. Let's see. For example, this guy, Mr. X, another X Hussein. Block him. So on my list, blocking list, there are two. In future, if you want to unblock them, if you decide that you want to be added on the Facebook with them, so simply again that settings option, blocking, and the block list, you can see them here. Just click simply unblock. For example, GM Riaz, unblock. They are asking you, are you sure you want to unblock Mr. GM? They may be able to see you everything. Okay, this is the symbol, this is the rules and privacy, then confirm. And then he has been unblocked, so that he now can send you a Facebook request, even though he can tag you and so on, as like a normal users. This is also you can unblock. Again, the same thing. That's it. Hope you have enjoyed and it is useful for you. If this video is useful for you, then our work is fruitful. All right, bye.